I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stopping captions immediately. Play any video and hit the CC or subtitles icon to turn them off. Once done, make sure you open YouTube settings so this change persists beyond a single video. On mobile, go to Settings Captions. On web, use Settings Accessibility. Those are the panels that control default behavior. You do this because toggling per video only lasts for that session. Changing the global caption, toggle makes your choice stick across videos and devices when signed in. Now make the off setting the default by signing into your account. That ensures changes sync across devices. Go to Settings Captions or Accessibility and clear any Always Show Captions or equivalent option so captions won't auto-enable. Then review the caption language and auto-generated caption switches. Turn them off too because some videos force auto captions otherwise. Once you finish, reload a few videos to confirm captions stay off. You do this to stop YouTube from reapplying captions based on device or playback defaults. Finish by restarting the YouTube app or refreshing your browser. That forces settings to take effect. If captions still pop up, sign out and sign back in, or clear the app cache/data. That removes stale local settings. Make sure you test on another device while signed in to confirm the settings synced. If it still fails, the troubleshooting tip is to check for browser extensions or accessibility tools that inject captions. Disable them because they can override YouTube's caption preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.